Hello my dear lovely children, welcome to your new class. I know you all are very excited for new session and you all might be very excited and curious to explore the new course you have, right? So let's start our first maths class with an interesting way. Let's watch a story of two boys who learnt large numbers in an interesting manner. So the story begins when Sam comes looking for Tom on a fine Sunday morning. And on finding him, he says, "Hello Tom, how are you? I have been looking for you everywhere. What are you doing here?" "Sam, I have never seen such a collection of numbers. I wonder how these numbers are read." "Oh silly Tom, such a string of numbers are large numbers till thousands place, and these numbers are very easy to read." "Sam, would you please help me to understand how to read these?" "Of course, my dear. Let's perform an activity to understand this concept. You might be familiar with this mathematical instrument." "Oh, yes, it's an abacus. And the black sticks on it are called its spikes. And each spike represents a place value." "Very good, Tom. You are right. Each spike on abacus represents a place value. And we start writing the place value on abacus from extreme right. And the first spike from the right represents ones place. The second represents tens place. And the third spike represents hundreds place. Do you know how do we place the beads in an abacus? And what is the role of beads in abacus?" "Yes, Sam. Beads represent numbers in abacus, and we always start placing the beads in abacus from ones place, just like this. So, one bead in ones place means smallest one-digit number, which is 1. I can also tell you that we can place maximum 9 beads in one spike. So, if we place 9 beads in the spike of ones place, it gives us the greatest one-digit number, which is 9. "Very well said, Tom. Now, what if I add 1 to the greatest one-digit number?" "Alright, greatest one-digit number is 9. So, 9 plus 1 is 10. So, you may say 9 ones plus 1 is 10 ones or 1 tens. And 10 is the smallest two-digit number. Let's now place 10 on abacus with the help of beads. Since 0 is on ones place, so we will not put any bead in one spike. And 1 is on tens place, so we will place 1 bead in tens spike. Now, if you can place maximum 9 beads in one spike, then what would be the greatest two-digit number?" Very good. It would be 99. And if we add 1 to the greatest two-digit number, we will get the smallest three-digit number, which is 100. And similarly, greatest three-digit number is 999. And if we add 1 to it, we will get the smallest four-digit number. "But Sam, to place a four-digit number on an abacus, we need names for 4 spikes." "Yes, Tom. The 4th spike from the right represents thousands, which is another place in our place value system. So the smallest four-digit number is 1000. Let's now take a look on the placement of 1000 on abacus. Since we have zeros on ones, tens and hundreds place, we will not put any bead in these spikes. And we have 1 on thousands place, so we will place 1 bead on thousands spike. And this is how 1000 can be represented on an abacus. Tom, you have to always keep in mind that we start placing the digits from the right side, but we always start reading them from the left side. That is, we always speak the greatest place first, just like we read it as 1000. Sam, I may also observe that 1000 has the same number of digits as those which are written on the wooden board. Yes, Tom, you are right. Let's now try to place these numbers in a place value chart and also try to name them. So the first number is 2963. Tom, how will you place this number in the place value chart? Sam, I will place the last digit, which is 3, at ones place first. Then I will place 6 at tens place, then 9 at hundreds place and 2 at thousands place. Very good, Tom. Can you now read this number for me? This would be 2963. Very good, Tom. Let's now place the second number in the place value chart, which is 1, 2, 3, 5. So, we will write 5 at ones place, 3 at tens place, 2 at hundreds place and 1 at thousands place. And how do we read this number? 1235. Let's take a look on one more number. So the next number is 3539. So we will place 9 at ones place in the place value chart. Then we will place 3 at tens place, 5 at hundreds place and 3 at thousands place. And we will read this number as 3539. Sam, it's very easy. Let me speak rest of the numbers. So the next number is 8644. So I will place 4 at ones place first. Then again there's a 4. So I will place that 4 at tens place. Then it's hundreds place and I will place 6 in hundreds place. And then I will place 8 in thousands place. And the number will be read as 8644. The next one is 6826. So I will place 6 at ones place first. Then I will write 2 at tens place. Then I will write 8 at hundreds place. And then 6 at thousands place. And the number name would be 6826. And the last one is 8052. So I will write 2 at ones place, 5 at tens place, 0 at hundreds place and 8 at thousands place. So the number name for this would become 8052. Hooray! We did it! Thank you, Sam. Now I have understood how to write a 4-digit number. That's amazing. Hey kids, I hope you all have understood how to write a 4-digit number. Let's now practice few questions related to it.